All right, sports fans, welcome to the warm-up. Jim and Kevin, Super Bowl in the books. Did you have a good Super Bowl?
I did, yeah. I went to a friend's house, had a few beers, had pizza, enjoyed the game. The game was pretty good.
Pizza.
Yeah, Vince's. You ever had Vince's Pizza?
Never had Vince's Pizza. Where's Vince?
Well, it's all over. Federal Way, Renton. Used to be one at Crossroads.
Oh.
Vince's special, though, with olives. That's, can't be.
It's on like Donkey Kong.
Yeah, it is.
I allowed, I made just a rookie mistake. I allowed the food shopping responsibility to go to someone else, my wife in this case. Yeah,
What
Brady's
was it?
shaking his head. If you have something special that you want for Super Bowl Sunday, then you better get your little hiney over to the food mart and get it done yourself.
So what, it was too healthy for you?
No, I wanted brats.
Yeah.
I wanted brats, and she brought back these designer brats that were about the size of your thumb. You know, and I'm thinking I want something that's substantial, something that like bursts with flavor when you cook them. Mm-hmm. These things were chock full of, I don't know, pine nuts and chopped apples or something. They were chicken brats. Yes, you're
So
right.
they were kind of healthy.
They were too healthy. Although they were served on white bread, which, you know, didn't meet my criteria, with sauerkraut and baked beans. They were good.
So
and not only that,
when she went to the store, did she say, "Hey"?
I said Johnsonville brats. That's what I said on the air. Johnsonville brats. I have one simple. She said, "Well, they don't have any. They didn't have any Johnsonville brats." Wait a minute. It's a QFC, for goodness sakes. They've got a million items in there. It's like the Walmart of food.
Right.
And she comes back with these tiny little designer brats. And of course, it's getting close to game time, and I thought, I can't have a falling out with my wife. It's close to game time. And this is the one game of the year where I think she's probably going to sit down on the couch and watch it with me. So I can't have a domestic.
You're not going to argue over brats, though.
I might. I mean, I was that close. Look, when your mind is made up and you want something special for the Super Bowl, damn it, you got to have.
How long have you been married?
You got to have.
How long have you been married?
Well, 26 years.
Well, that's one that you just kind of.
Well, I know. I shuffled it to the side. It was an irritant, though. Not only that, I'll go one step further.
26 years?
I got the designer brats. Okay, so I immediately put them on the grill at 4 o'clock because I want to eat. Nobody else wants to eat.
They were big enough to not fall through the grate.
I put them sideways on the grate so they didn't fall through the grate. Yeah. Otherwise, they'd slip and they'd burn. Not only that, but I make. Nobody else put in their food order. I ask twice. What do you want from the store? My son's there, his girlfriend, my other son, his girl. What do you want from the store? We'll get something special. I hear no response, as usual, to any of my questions in the house. You know, no response as usual. Usually about food, I get a response. I get no response. I make the brats, bring the brats in. I got a brat fest on my mind, right? But I got these little designer brats, so I'm thinking, okay, 4 of those ought to do it for me because nobody else asked for brats. I put the thing on the.
You took all 4 of the brats?
No, I only had the one brat. But I walk away. Game time. I do my brat. It's a timeout. I watch the commercial. And I back out of the room so I don't miss the commercial because I'm going to go for another brat, right? I back out of the room all the way to the kitchen, and I reach for the brat. The brats were gone. They had come in and eaten my brats that nobody had requested. It was amazing. Not only do I get designer brats, but they come and eat the brats that nobody would step up and order. No, you know. And I told her, I said, even though they have not ordered food, you got to buy way more for everybody because everybody eats. They're just kind of, I don't know why, but people don't step up and
wait a minute. So
make their wishes known
you
about
expected
food.
all 4 of those to be for you then?
I did. And, we're making an order at the grocery store. Nobody speaks up. I'm the only guy that's stepping up. Wah, wah.
So what else was there?
That was it.
There were just 4 brats.
That's all. And here's the kicker. I say nothing, right? Got a smile on my face. I go sit back in the game, and my wife realizes we don't have enough. She did not buy enough. She goes back to the grocery store.
Oh.
God bless her.
Yeah.
Because she has no interest in the game at that point. She doesn't care.
Right.
She wants to see, the Black Eyed Peas at half, watch the second half, watch the commercials, like everybody else.
So what'd she bring home the second time?
Oh, she brought home chicken and more brats, and it was good. So it was all good. It all worked out. That's it for the warm-up. More at 3 o'clock. Good night, everybody. Oh, the Cavaliers lost 24 straight.